These Breck School third graders and preschoolers are raising money to help save an animal that means a lot to the state of Minnesota, the Minnesota moose, which is why wildlife specialist Margaret Dexter, a biologist with the DNR, came to tell them what they can do to help.
It's important to educate everyone on what's going on in our natural world because a lot of things happen and we may or may not know about it and we may not think it's important, but in the long run it is important because things that affect them affect us. Understanding how these systems work, trying to reduce our footprint on the landscape would help.
From having more than 8,000 moose a decade ago, northeast Minnesota now has less than 3,000. Dexter explains things like shorter winters, an increase in predators like bears and wolves, and parasites like liver flukes, brainworms, and winter ticks are the reason the Minnesota moose is quickly disappearing.
It's hard to say what's going to be the fix because I don't think it's one thing. I think it's going to be a lot of little things together, just like the moose decline is a lot of little things together causing the decline.
The money these kids are raising goes towards putting collars on moose to study the population and to help pay for helicopters and neuropracies for moose that die in their study. To learn more on how you can help the Minnesota moose population, click on the links below.